How to fix Facebook can't search on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook can't search on Android phone. First, in open settings, and then just scroll down until you find apps, and then apps again, and here you will find you need to find here Facebook. Click on it, and now just go to storage. Now just click clear cache and force stop, and go to permissions, not permissions, data usage. Now just enable all of those here: Wi-Fi, background data, and mobile data, and then just go back and try again, and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like, and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.